This is the fourth lesson in the beginners series of tutorials. This lesson will show you how to edit the project in the timeline by lengthening and shortening clips that you've already added. This is known as trimming, and it allows you to remove unwanted scenes, that's like zooms, and also to add extra scenes that may have been missed in the pre-edit. The course material and the completed Final Cut Pro library are downloadable. Check in the description below. Click the eye above for lesson 1 that has the details on how to download this. If you've been keeping up with me, use your My First Edit project or follow from here with completed lesson number 3. You can double click that project to open it in the timeline. Trimming is done in the timeline. Click in a dark area to make sure the timeline is selected, or press Command+2. In the last lesson, we moved clip 12 from the beginning of the timeline to an edit point between 11 and 15. Now place the playhead at the end of 11 and press the spacebar. You'll see that there's a few frames at the end of the clip that need removing. Click the edit point at the end of 11. The edit point will change to either red, indicating that it's positioned at the end of 11, or yellow, to indicate that it's the beginning of 12. Click until you've seen both colours and note the shape of the cursor as each colour shows. Yellow means that there's more footage in the browser available to use. Red means there's no more footage in the browser to use beyond that point. You'll see that red has little handles enclosing the end of 11, and yellow has handles enclosing 12, as you would have noted earlier. Click and hold when you have the red end of 11 selected. Drag a little left to remove some frames, and notice that the red changes to yellow because the frames you're removing are available for you to use again. And while you're holding the mouse, see that the viewer has changed to a 2-up window. The left panel shows the last frame of 11, and the right panel shows the first frame of 12. While still holding the mouse, drag further left and you'll see in the viewer where you can stop removing frames when you have the footage that you want in the edit. You'll now remove some frames from the end of 12. Skim from the beginning of 12. You'll see the video shudder just as the spinnaker of the yacht passes the pole in the scene. Place the playhead just before the shutter and press Option plus right square bracket. The clip is then cut from the end to that playhead position. Finally, you can add some footage to the beginning of 15. Click the edit point at the beginning of 15. The yellow handles are enclosing it. Drag left and more footage is added from the clip in the browser. Now that you've finished this lesson, compare it with completed lesson 4 in the completed lesson library. In the next lesson, you'll have the opportunity to practice these editing skills, but if you'd like to skip that practice session, jump directly to lesson 6. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell.